Hello everyone, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 30. Here we have two rules. They are very important in radicals, in roots expression, radical expression. And we will explain these two rules, and also we will solve a question about these rules. First one, here is we have outside of the nth root of b, we have a number a. We want to enter this number inside the root. So how we have to do this? First, we want to write the nth root of, and when we carry this a inside nth root, we have to raise the exponent of a to the index of root. Here index is n, a to the power n multiplied by b. If a is negative number and a is even integer, then we write here minus and we carry the absolute value of a to the power n multiplied by b. b is the radicand inside the root. Another one here, if we have a plus minus square root of b square root of a plus minus square root of b, it is equal to a plus b over 2 square root of a plus b over 2 plus minus square root of a minus c over 2. C is equal to c square is equal to a square minus b. Or it is another method of this kind of radicals. Square root of a plus 2 into square root of b is equal to square root of m plus square root of n. Square root of n. Square root of a minus 2 into square root of b is equal to square root of m minus square root of n. Here m should be greater than n. But the condition here, m plus n should be equal to a and m multiplied by n should be equal to b. Now we want to solve some question about this rule. First one, this question belongs to this rule. Now we can write fourth root of 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 1. It is equal to fourth root of 3 to the power 5. It is equal to fourth root of 243. Here we can write cube root of 1 over 2 whole to the power 3 into 5. It is equal to third root of 1 to the power 3 is 1. To the power 3 is 8 into 5. It is equal to cube root of 1 multiplied by 5 over 8. It is equal to, the index is even integer. Here we have minus 7. Then according to this rule, we write minus fourth root of absolute value of 7 to the power 4 into x. It is equal to minus fourth root of 7 to the power 4 x. Same here also, the index is even integer. Minus 2 into minus square root of 2 absolute value to the power 2 into 5. It is equal to minus absolute value to the power 2 is equal to 4 multiplied by 5 minus square root of 20. Next one, if the index is odd number, then we can carry all of them inside root. Is third root of minus 3 whole to the power 3 into x. It is equal to third root of minus 27 into x. Sixth one, here also we can write fifth root of minus 2 whole to the power 5 into 3. It is equal to fifth root of minus 2 to the power 5 is minus 32 multiplied by 3. If we multiply these two, 3 multiplied by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Minus 96. Here, this question and remaining belongs to this rule. Now, we want to solve this question. Question 7. We want to erase all of them. I want to clean the board, then we will solve question 7. Question 7 we have 7 minus 4 into square root of 3. Now here it is equal to, we want to bring in this form square root of 7 minus 4 square into 3. It is equal to 7 minus into 4 square is 16. 16 multiplied by 3, 48. Now A is equal to 7, B is equal to 48, C square is equal to A square minus B. A square 49 minus 48, it is equal to 1. This implies C is also is equal to 1. It is the value of C. Now we use this formula, we get A is equal to, it is equal to A 7 plus B, C is 1 over 2 plus minus square root of A 7 minus 1 over 2. It is equal to, it is 8, square root of 8 over 2 minus square root of 6 over 2. It is equal to square root of 4 minus square root of 3. It is equal to 2 minus square root of 3. It is the answer. Question 8. Here we can write 16 minus when we carry 6 inside the root, we get 36 multiplied by 7. It is equal to 16 minus square root of 252. If we multiply these two, we get 252. Now A is equal to 16, B is equal to 252, C is equal to question mark. Now we want to find C. C square is equal to A square. A square 16 square, 256 minus 252. It is equal to 4. Then C is equal to 2. Now it is equal to, this is equal to A 16 plus 2 over 2 minus A minus C minus 2 over 2. It is equal to square root of 18 divided by 2, 9 minus square root of 7. 16 minus 2, 14. 14 divided by 2, it is equal to 7. It is equal to 3 minus square root of 7. This equation is equal to square root of 4 plus 2 goes to inside the root, we get 2 square, 4 multiplied by 12. Now here A is equal to 4, B is equal to 12, CA square is equal to 16 minus 12. It is equal to 4. This implies C is equal to 2. Now it is equal to square root of A, 4, plus C, 2, over 2 minus plus square root of 4 minus 2 over 2. It is equal to square root of 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 multiplied by square root of 3 plus 1. Because 4 minus 2, 2 multiplied divided by 2, 1, square root of 1 is equal to 1. Here it is equal to square root of 9 minus 4, 16, 16 multiplied by, it is equal to 80. A is equal to 9, B is equal to 80, C square is equal to 9 square 81 minus 80 is equal to 1. This implies C is also is equal to 1. Now we can write this one. It is equal to square root of A plus C. A on 9, we have A 9 plus 1 over 2 minus square root of 9 minus 1 over 2. It is equal to square root of 10 divided by square root of 5 minus 9 minus 1. 8 multiplied divided by 2. 4 square root of 4 is 2. It is the answer of this question. And this solve this question by yourself. Try to solve by yourself. It is as homework remaining. It was the solution of this question 7, 8, 9, 10 by first method. Also we can use second method. We want to solve again by second method. Second method, we have to bring this in this form, this equation in this form. We can write A we have 7 minus 2 into 2 square into 3. Here we have 2, we factorize 4 into, we want to write 2 into square root of 3. It is equal to square root of 7 minus 2 into square root of, these 2 goes to inside the root, we get 2 to power 2 into 3. It is equal to square root of 7 minus 2 into square root of 2 to the power 2 is 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Now we try to find those two numbers, 4 plus 3. Two numbers m and n, such that m plus n is equal to 7, m multiplied by n is equal to b. b is 12. This is equal to square root of 4 minus square root of 3, square root of m minus square root of n. It is equal to 2 minus square root of 3. Question 7. Question 8. Same rule we want to use here. Square root of 16 minus 2 into 3 square root of 7. It is equal to square root of 16 minus 2 into square root of 3 goes to inside root 3 square. 3 square 9 multiplied by 7 63. Now we want to find two numbers. Two numbers 9 plus 7. It is equal to 16. But if you multiply these two numbers, 9 multiplied by 7, it is equal to 63. Then we get say 9 square root of 9 plus square root of 7. It is equal to 3 plus square root of 7. This one has this rule, this form. Then we want to find two numbers. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. It is equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 1. It is equal to square root of 3 plus 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Now we want to change these radicals in the form of a minus square root of a minus 2 into square root of b. Then we get 9 minus 2 into 2 square root of 5. It is equal to 9 minus 2 into square root of 2 goes to inside root. It is equal to 4. 2 square 4 multiplied by 5, 20. Now we want to find two numbers. If we add these two numbers, it should be equal to 9. 5 plus 4, it is equal to 9. If we multiply 5 into 4 is equal to 20, then we get it is equal to square root of 5 minus square root of 4. It is equal to square root of 5 minus square root of 4 is 2. It is the solution of this question. Here, this is the answer of this question. It is your homework. Try to do by yourself. Thank you. This was the class of 30, which we solved some question about radicals.